So you just moved into your new apartment, you moved in your furniture, and you think, this needs to go. But you don't have to buy all new furniture to improve your room. I'm Doug Walker, and this is Roominess. Roominess brings you straightforward steps to an inviting home. Click the subscribe button for more bite-sized decor tips. You really can make your rooms look better just by rearranging the furniture and a couple of additional tweaks. Today's examples are taken straight from my new ebook, Guide to Attractive Furniture Arrangement. In the book, I take 6 real-world apartment plans and show not only how they could be made over, but simple adjustments to get you started. I want to walk you through the process that I used for the examples in the ebook and show you how you can use the same process in your home. And you don't have to win the lottery. You can take these proactive steps right now. Here's what often happens in an apartment. Movers line the furniture against the wall. The space might feel awkward and empty, or it might feel cramped with just a few pieces in it. What I suggest in my guide is to have what I call a goal arrangement. It's basically the makeover version of your space. You can create it by collecting images of rooms that you like on the internet and then trying out your ideas on free software like roomstyler.com. Fear not, Roomstyler is not paying him any money. Now, it's important that you show the walls, windows, and doors, and the ceiling height exactly the way it is right now. The goal arrangements that I created in the examples of the book use the natural traffic flow of the space, the activities planned, and the natural resting place for a seating group. For instance, the goal arrangement for the studio apartment created separate zones for the kitchen, for seating, and for sleeping. It brought in more color and more storage. Now, planning is always fun, but here's the fascinating part. When you go through this exercise of creating a goal arrangement, you get new perspectives on the space that might suggest a different way that you can arrange the existing furniture. In the studio apartment, I used the old furniture and just rearranged it using the goal arrangement as a jumping off point. Here I've created the same 3 zones using only a couple of purchases to make it work. Is that an after picture? Perhaps Roomstyler should pay you not to use their software. Using this method, you can give yourself a stepping stone to create the room you really want. If you try this method, then I'd suggest keep your goal arrangements for the future. You can continue to add to them, and they can continue to give you insights into your room. For a more in-depth discussion of this process, you can find my ebook at Roominess.tv. Thanks for watching.